O meron din silang bato-bato. Okay, we're almost done with our tour here. We're gonna go down and get on a bus. Our time is very limited, so 2 more stops and the tour is over. Yeah. At least nakapahinga na. Yan ang bus natin. Yan, our bus is Trabidi. Trabidi. Yeah, they have only 5 minutes left. Yan, excepto autobus. Pwede natin umupo. Oh, ito si Hercules bus.